My brother. My brother's name is Kevin. He is the most lovable person in my life. He is only 7 years old. He doesn't go to my school. He always helps me in studies. He is my younger brother. My brother is very bright student and always gets good marks in every subject. He is very energetic and sometimes very naughty. He always shares his food with me, even it is his favorite. We always apologize to each other and become friends again. We both love to play football. He shares every details of his life with me. He is very sincere and intelligent and he never misses school. He is not only my brother, he is my best friend also. I wish God always brings joys to his life.